Hey food enthusiasts! Did you know that your garden might be hiding a treasure trove of culinary delights? No, I'm not talking about vegetables, I'm talking about flowers. Beyond their beauty, many blossoms are actually edible and can seriously elevate your cooking game. Today, we're diving into the world of edible flowers. We'll uncover their unique tastes and how to incorporate them into your kitchen. First up, lilacs. They have a slightly bitter, lemony flavor with a hint of sweetness. Sprinkle those petals on salads, desserts, or use them to flavor syrups and beverages. Next, peonies. They might be slightly bitter or bland, but they have a rose-like fragrance. Use them sparingly in salads or as a garnish. Mostly they're best for decorative purposes. Sunflowers bring a nutty, slightly bitter taste, much like artichokes. Edible petals go great in salads, and the buds can be steamed. Dahlias offer a variety of flavors, from mild to peppery or even carrot-like. Their petals work well in salads or as a garnish. Pansies are mild, sweet, and slightly grassy. Use the whole flower or just the petals in salads, desserts, or as a colorful garnish. Lavender is sweet, floral, and slightly citrusy. Use it sparingly in baked goods, desserts, or to flavor beverages. Marigolds have a citrusy, peppery, and slightly bitter flavor. Add the petals to salads, soups, or use as a saffron substitute. Elderflower is sweet, floral, and slightly musky. Perfect for making syrups, cordials, or even fritters. Hibiscus brings a tart, cranberry-like flavor to teas, jams, and syrups. Chrysanthemums are slightly bitter, peppery, and vegetal. Their petals are great in salads, soups, or stir-fries. Dandelions are slightly bitter and nutty. Use the young leaves in salads, flowers in fritters, or make dandelion tea. And lastly, snapdragons. They're mild and slightly bitter, perfect for sparing use in salads or as a garnish. Remember, always ensure that the flowers you use are grown organically and are safe for consumption. Don't pick them from nurseries, as they might be treated with pesticides. So there you have it, a guide to edible flowers that can turn your meals into a culinary adventure. Get exploring and happy cooking.